Hello and good morning, it's Jamie Vasilian here, the Hypnosis for ADHD specialist. And I'm making this video to talk about something that is on my mind. I thought I'd share it with you. It's about what to do when you seem to come off the horse and you're aiming to kind of make positive changes in your life. You've got ADHD and you want to improve your morning routine or improve your sleep. Or whatever it might be, to get your energy levels up, to be more effective in your job or in relationships, whatever it might be. And how we deal with when things kind of go wrong or appear to go wrong, or when we don't seem to be doing as well as we were. Maybe we started off with quite a lot of enthusiasm and we were, things were improving, and then they started to go the other way. So this is something that I've been experiencing myself recently because I'm human. And and also other people have been sharing this with me too, clients and friends as well. So I just like to share some of my thoughts on this. I'm actually at a spot here, if you can see, in the forest I come to every morning. I was up at 6:30, and last night I had a really rough sleep. Now I have had a lot of bad sleep throughout my life. People with ADHD do get bad sleep. And I had to change my patterns, thinking I'm a night owl. But then adjusting things so I actually go to bed earlier and get up earlier. Now, because I spent some time, it was Mother's Day, and we had lots of nice food, the kind of things I might not eat as well, including sugar, which I don't normally have too much of that. I had a lovely cheesecake that my mum made. And I kind of hadn't had any sugar, including honey, for about 2 months, and I kind of overdosed, basically. And also my sleep went out as well, because we changed the clocks here in the UK. The clocks went forward by an hour. And all of this ended up creating a kind of a jet lag. Now, I had a really good sleep pattern where I was going to bed around 10:30, 11, getting up at 6:30, full of energy in the morning, come up to the forest, do my meditation, and also get exercise. And I was just totally switched on and really raring to go, and everything was like, it was like being in heaven, to be honest. Now that's where you want to be, right? But what happened was life gets in the way. And a friend of mine was saying how they went to stay with family and they had the same thing, eating the kind of foods they would normally eat. They're feeling basically jet lag because they're out of sorts, because they're not in their usual routine, and they've been trying to stick to this routine, and then it all kind of went pear-shaped. Look, this is going to happen. The key is to be easy on yourself and not beat yourself up. You do need to be disciplined, but you also need to be easy and kind to yourself, because it's going to happen. You're going to fall off the horse. Things are going to go a bit skew-iff and pear-shaped for a bit. But the question is, if you beat yourself up, you might feel downtrodden, and then it creates like a catch-22 vicious cycle where, because you feel bad about it, you end up finding it more difficult to get back into and stick to your positive routines, whether that's your positive morning routine or your bedtime routine, or whatever it might be, being more efficient at work or improving your relationship, whatever things you're working on. The trick with ADHD is not to beat yourself up, because we're very good at doing that. We're very judgmental and harsh to ourselves. So the trick is to be fair and kind to oneself and realize, so for example with me, it's like, wait a minute, but I've still got up at 6:30 a.m. Like last night, I was on the computer till late, till 10 o'clock. I'm normally off the computer by 9 o'clock, no screens after 9, and then I can get good sleep. But last night I was on there till 10 o'clock, and I paid the price. I woke up every hour, which is crazy because I've not had that for a long time. But I know if I go back to my my new pattern tonight. Sorry, there's a plane coming over, so we have to get a bit closer so you can hear my voice. I know if I go back to my new pattern tonight, that things will get back to how they were. So let's be positive about this. What was I able to do? I was still able to get up at 6:30 a.m. And even though it's raining, I pushed myself to come out. Okay, it's a bit grey, but I know that getting natural light is better than staying indoors. And now that I've done my meditation with the tree, I've had a walk, I feel on top of the world again, and I'm here sharing this video with you. So what I'd like to share is, I suppose the takeaway point here is get back on the horse, keep going, and be easy on yourself. Don't look at what you feel like you failed at, what looks like your setback, what you didn't do, and focus back on what you have achieved, and realize that you're still making incremental small changes, and it's going to be a bit up and down. It's going to be, like I say always to my clients, it's not like that. It's like this. So just keep going. No one's perfect. Rome wasn't built in the day. Be easy on yourself. Be disciplined, but easy on yourself. And realize that you're doing much, much better than you think you are doing. Anyway, if you found that really helpful, and I hope you did, then why not stay in touch by signing up to my mailing list? You can find a link below. And also you get access to a free hypnosis track, Quickly Relax, to help you, quickly relax and empty that stress bucket and have a great day. Anyway, you've been listening to me, Jamie Vasilian, the Hypnosis for ADHD Specialist. Have an absolutely wonderful day. Bye for now.